Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. So for today's video, I am going to show you the last part of the bedroom makeover. So I'm gonna do a little haul for you of the knickknacks that I'm going to use for decor in this video, as well as I'm gonna show you the finished look of the bedroom. I feel like it's still unfinished, but I'm gonna show it to you anyway. So without further ado, let's go ahead with the haul. So the first item I'm going to show you are the beddings. I got these from Shein.com. I got two just plain white duvet cover sets. So the set came with duvet cover, pillows, and I think that's it. So this one right here is just plain one cotton, like a plain cotton white duvet cover. But what I love about this are the details on the pillows and the duvet cover closures. It comes with these little tiny buttons right here. It looks wooden buttons, which is perfect. So the other duvet cover that I got is just plain white again, but this one is a little bit textured. Oh, the front of this has this lining here, like a ruffle, like a single ruffle design right here, which is really cute. I really like something that's simple and minimal, because the accent wall that we have and then the bed that we have, there's a lot of like dark tones going on. So I really want our beddings to be like just plain white and minimal and plain as possible. And then I also got like a simple sheet set that I got from I think I got this, where did I get this? From Winners, I think. Yeah, no, sorry, from HomeSense. I got this from HomeSense, and it's just a simple queen fitted sheet. I also got two decorative pillows. I got these from Walmart, and I got two of them. And this is just like a nice plain tribal printed decor pillows, and it has like little fluffy in here, which is nice because it's neutral and it will go well with our decor. I have this vase that I got from Value Village a long time ago. It used to be white, and I painted it with a terracotta shade. I found a folk art paint from Walmart, an acrylic. It's just a simple acrylic paint, and it has this nice terracotta shade, which I love. So I got that. I just painted it, and I'm gonna use it for decor in here in the bedroom. I got this from JheCampbell. It's a local store here where I live. I just like the shape of this. I'm not loving the shade. I might paint it like white, like this part right here, and we'll see how it goes. But today I'm just gonna use this as is. The next piece that I'm going to show you, this is really funny because we were cleaning out our backyard. We're cutting down trees and making sure that's, you know, just got like extra overgrown trees in our backyard. And my husband cut like a piece of a tree, like the bark of a tree, like this portion right here. And I was putting it away in the garbage bag, and I found this little stump right here. And I peeled it and then sanded it down, and then I made this simple frame using just wood and glue and finishing nails. Glue this stump right here over to the center of the frame and spray painted all of them matte black, and this is how it looks. I think it's really cute. Like, it really is like a statement piece from like a little bark of a tree, and I made this little thing. And for our anniversary is in June, so it just passed actually. And this lyric of a song my husband sang me on our wedding day, so I decided to print it off, made it like age paper. What I did, I printed it on a cardstock paper, and then dip the whole thing in coffee. So I dissolved a teaspoon of coffee in a warm water, and then I waited until it's room temperature, and then I dipped the paper, and that's how it looks. It looks like aged paper. And then just use finishing nails to attach the paper onto the frame, and this is how it looks. and it could stand by itself. I also got this planter and a plant. It used to be like a really healthy palm trees, but our cat always comes in our bedroom and bite all of these palm trees. But I got these planters. I got 2 of these from HomeSense, and I use that to house my palm tree little plant. Also, I have this amber bottle. This is actually my husband's beer bottle. I peeled the label of it, and it's a really nice amber bottle which you could use for decor in your house. I forgot the name of the beer, but I got a few of this, and I'm kind of regretted that I throw out the rest because I'm really liking these amber bottles. So I got those. I recently purchased new candle for our bedroom from HomeSense. No, did we get this from HomeSense? I don't know where I got this, but it's a really nice shade of blue. It's really nice smelling. Okay, for our table lamp, I got this lamp from Wafer a week ago, and I got 2 of these, and I think it's really nice and minimal design. You know, it's not like crazy night lamp, and we just got like a basic bulb from Walmart, and that's how it looks right here. So let's go ahead and decorate. So I forgot to tell you that we got a shelf bracket, 2 sets of this 6 inches shelf bracket from Amazon, and then we just purchased wood, cut them in the size that we wanted, and then just stain them with early American stain with a little bit of dark walnut on top of it, and that's how it looks. The other one, I put it in here in the corner of where my closet is. I also got these hooks from Amazon as well. I got 2 of them. And this, I just use it to hang my purse or my robe sometimes. And it's just nice to have somewhere to, you know, like hang my stuff now, and I don't have to like put them on the floor and all that. The light fixture, we got, this is from Ikea, but I got mine from Marketplace. I got them for $45. If you looked into Ikea website, they're usually almost $100, and I'm really happy that I got those from Marketplace for a really cheap price. Artwork that we got from JheCampbell again. It is a really nice canvas of greens, and I really like how it looks. Also that it's not very, like, it's not too overwhelming. And on the camera, it looks really bare right now, but when you look at it in person with my vanity right there and with this art right here, it's just a nice minimal look of the wall. The next thing I want to show you is this wall right here on top of our dresser. I used to have like a big humongous set of baskets. I'm gonna put like a photo over here of how it looked like, but I feel like for such a small wall, I don't want it to be overwhelmed, and I don't want it to look super crowded. So I just settled with 3 weaved basket like this. So this mirror I got from HomeSense. It's actually on clearance because there's a little damage here at the bottom, but it's really not a big deal. It looks like bamboo, but it's actually like a plastic material. It really does complement this wall because that shade of the frame is kind of complementing this shade of mirror frame. This is my all-time favorite photo of us three. This is a Mother's Day gift for me a couple of years ago, and I still like it, so I just keep it there. For my stool, now I have been looking for a stool for my vanity, but I couldn't find it, and right now it is hard to find things because of where most stores are closed. So I really had a hard time looking for stools. So guess what I did? I built my own stool. So I built this. It's just have like a simple rectangle leg frame, and then attach it to a piece of wood, screw them together, and voila, the perfect height and all that. And